Hello everyone. As we plan our 1820 homes restoration, we've learned a few things that we want to share to help avoid frustration and wasting money and time. Here's what we've learned. The most common mistake is usually underestimating costs and timeline. Restoring a home from the 1800s is rarely straightforward. It almost always takes longer and costs more than expected. Hidden structural damage is common, from rotting beams, failing foundations, or even termite damage that might not be visible at first. Historic materials are often much more expensive and harder to find than modern alternatives. If you're committed to authenticity, be prepared for extra costs and longer lead times. Permits and scheduling add another layer of complexity. Many historic areas require approvals for even minor changes, and coordinating skilled tradespeople takes time. The best approach? Plan for delays, budget for surprises, and expect the unexpected. General rule of thumb is to add 20% to the budget and timeline. Our second common mistake is not researching historical guidelines and permits. Historic homes come with rules, and they vary pretty widely depending on where you live. Exterior changes are often restricted. Some historic districts won't even let you change paint colors without approval. Material regulations may require original wood, brick, or roofing types, limiting your options and increasing costs. Interior restrictions also exist in some areas. You might not be able to alter certain architectural elements, even if they seem minor. Skipping this research can cost you time and money, or worse, force you to undo completed work. Make sure you check local guidelines before starting your project. The third most common mistake is ignoring structural and mechanical issues. It's tempting to jump straight into restoring wood floors or picking out period correct fixtures, but if the house isn't structurally sound, those details won't matter. Foundation problems are one of the most common and expensive issues in historic homes. Old electrical and plumbing systems often need full replacements to be safe and up to code. Insulation and ventilation can make or break your home's comfort and efficiency. Many historic homes lack proper insulation, which can lead to moisture issues or extreme temperatures. If you don't address these critical systems first, you'll likely end up tearing out all that finished work later and spending much more in the process. Here's a few more. Not having a clear plan is another common mistake. A restoration without a roadmap leads to delays, extra costs, and frustration. Define your goals before you start. Also, balance do-it-yourself with hiring the correct professionals. Otherwise, you set yourself up for major setbacks. Some projects are great for do-it-yourself. Others, like structural repairs or intricate restoration work, need experienced hands. The wrong approach can lead to costly mistakes or unsafe conditions. Knowing when to DIY and when to call in an expert will keep your project on track. Restoring a historic home is a labor of love, but the key to success is planning ahead. Expect surprises, prioritize critical repairs, and enjoy the process of bringing history back to life. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.